Hi guys, so I took my first ever trade on Nasdaq. I've never traded this pair before, not even once. This was my first ever time of trading this pair, and I made over what, $3,500 plus, right? So let me take you through this trade. And first of all, this was just the setup, right? This was the setup for the trade. So we're above the MBK method. Note, I've been backtesting my strategy or the MBK strategy on this Nasdaq for like 3 weeks now. So today I just said, let me try and use it and see what happens. So this was my initial entries, right? This entry here, there was an order here inside this very nice order block, and there was an order here in case of change of character. And you know the MBK method states that if there's a change of character, if you're in the long, you go out and look for shorts moving towards this, right? But there was this fair value gap here, so if I go into a short here, that's where I'll be targeting. So let me take you through the trade. So as you guys can see, the trade that was below the change of character, that was the trade that was taken, and immediately when it was taken, we moved into profits, right? I actually like the way Nasdaq moves. It's like the retracements aren't that deep, because by the looks of this, we were just having a shallow retracement, right? Very simple. On stop loss, normally you see me putting my stop loss there, but I don't actually like putting my stop loss at a no man's land, right? I have to find something and put my stop loss on. So at this moment, I was searching for last week Friday's MBK setup, and this was it right here. So I had to put my stop loss on that, because with that I know for sure that price will be returning to it, and I'm very certain that we'll be coming back to it, right? It's just a very simple thing, because I don't want to put my stop at a location that I will feel like, what if price did not reach here? Or I don't have to go and put my stop at a place that price will reach it very fast, and it will still be moving on. Nah, I don't want to do that. So as you can see, by this time, my normal trade, that is the pair I've been trading every time, which is gold on gold, to my trades were manifesting. So it's just a very simple thing. So I was in 2 trades at this moment, and you can see that I'm moving my stop loss near the price, right? Because there was some pullbacks down there, so I wouldn't have left my stop loss above it, just so price could retrace to it again when we are so close to the winning team, right? Or when we are so close to getting our reward. So this was it. It was just a couple of few seconds later, then price hits my very nice, it hits my TP, even though this trade actually moved down a little while. But with this, I was okay. I did not need to enter into any trade again. I was already in a trade around this level, which I was thinking of getting at least $4,000 from there too. But it also I ended up getting around somewhere $1,800 and something dollars, because there was a very nice pullback, and when we had a change of character, I said, okay, let me just go out of the trade. And I was supposed to be in this trade around this time again, because there's a change of character. So that's it. That was just what happened yesterday. I got about $5,000. Yeah, yesterday I got about $5,000 on these trades. So see you guys in the next video.